Number 5 is Canon Megatank GX3020 Supertank printer. If you're searching for the best sublimation printer under $500, then the exhilarating Canon Megatank GX3020 all-in-one wireless Supertank printer is the ultimate choice. This powerhouse is here to transform your printing experience into a vibrant adventure. Get ready to unleash your creativity with its exceptional features and jaw-dropping simplicity. With the Megatank GX3020, you can make a splash with your prints, delivering up to 6,000 captivating black and 14,000 stunning color pages. The ink bottles are a stroke of genius, featuring a clever keyed nozzle design that ensures you always fill the correct color ink tank. But wait, there's more! The Megatank GX3020 takes connectivity to the next level with an easy Wi-Fi setup. Say goodbye to cumbersome cables and connect effortlessly to your Wi-Fi network without a computer. It's simplicity at its finest. So if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best sublimation printer under $500. If you want to purchase any of these best sublimation printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.